I learned two things that day. One,
Kirin armor.
I was never going to let anyone see what they got to me.
And two,
If the world's only
Build
gonna see
4.
fast
Sakto sa
and shifty
MTG.
and untrustworthy, there's no point in trying to be anything else.
Ngayon palang gagamit itong sleeves na to eh.
you are so much more than
Sakto lang to sa Ninja Turtle.
I know what it's like to not
Turquoise na
feel
kulang
ready for
kulay nito.
something. Even
Turquoise.
ogres get scared. People used to think I was a monster,
Tint yata. Tint.
and for a long time, I believed them.
Tint.
But once in a while, you learn to ignore the names that people call you, and you just trust who you are. I gotta stop pretending to be something I'm not.
Sometimes you gotta get through your fear to see the beauty on the other side.
Yes, you wish and you dream all your little heart. But you remember, dear minute, that old star can only take you part of
Picture
the
ng
way.
sleeves.
You gotta help along with some
Yan
hard
natin sa
work.
Ninja Turtles.
And then, yeah, you can do
Teenage
anything you set
Mutant
your mind
Ninja Turtles.
This has nothing to do with me. You're here for a reason.
Wala nang double sleeves. Okay na yan.
Just because you don't see them doesn't mean they're not there.
Diba? May space siya konti sa taas.
Stay with them hard. Be with it when it works.
Magaspang yung likod.
You'll get back what you've given. You're gonna have to face your fear sooner or later.
It's futile to resist change, man. Don't make my mistake, kid. Don't follow orders your whole life. Think for yourself.
Love is the most precious of totems. It reveals
Real strength comes from being the best you can be. So who are you? What are you good at?
Ito na yung pag na-sleeves na sila, sobrang kapal. 100. Ito yung pinaka 100 sila. Ito yung pinaka-commander si Leo.
Stands up to others. Would seem I'm off to a poor start.
Madulas pa siya eh. Bagong-bago kasi.
Just focus on the bad stuff when all you had to do
Ito
was
siya shuffle to.
let go of the
Ngayon lang ako
past
gagamit ng deck na 100.
moving forward.
For a true hero
Shuffle.
is measured by the size of his strength, but by the strength of his arm.
Sometimes we do the wrong things for the right reasons.
You can't focus on what's going wrong. There's always a way to turn things around. We'll find the fun.
Gotta let go of that stuff from the past because it just doesn't matter. The
Ang
only
hirap
thing that matters
mag-shuffle yung 100.
Flower, lures, adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
You're at rock bottom, pal. Yep, and you know what's great about hitting rock bottom, Eddie? There's only one way left to go, and that's up.
Sometimes our strengths lie
Yeah.
beneath our surface.
Sakto ba siya dito?
far beneath. In some cases.
There is no secret ingredient. It's just you.
Not everyone can become a great artist, but a great artist can come from anywhere.
The thing that matters most is what you think of yourself. If there's something you really want or someone you really want to be, then the only person standing in your way is
Wala pa akong deck box eh. Siguro mga itong ban siguro bibili ako ng deck box para dito. So ngayon ito muna yung deck box niya. Yes, thanks for watching.